Today is March 31st, and for those who aren't aware, it's World Backup Day. In recognition of that, I decided to put together this walkthrough of how to back up your system with Clonezilla. And Clonezilla Live is a system imaging tool that creates an image of a disk or partition and saves a compressed file that can be restored when needed. I've already created my bootable Clonezilla USB drive and plugged it in along with a backup drive. I will provide a link to my previous video on how I did that. So first I'm going to start booting my computer, and since I've set the USB drive to be the first boot priority, my boot selection comes up here. So I'm just going to select Clonezilla from the list here. Okay, and here we have the Clonezilla bootloader. I'll select the first option. I'll let the system boot. All right. And should be working here. So that brings us to the language selection, followed by the keyboard layout selection. And now I can start Clonezilla. Okay, I want to back up a disk to a partition, so I'll choose device-image, enter. The next screen is to select the directory to mount the image. So select local_dev for the local drive. Using the Clonezilla USB is possible, but as it says, it is not recommended. So when I hit enter, it's going to detect my backup drive. All right, Control C. And in a moment. Okay. Right. Now I can select it. SDA34 SDC1. Okay. All right, so for the disk check, I'm going to skip because NTFS is not supported by FSCK. Okay. Just the orders here is a little bit off, so I'm being thrown off a bit. But okay, so here's my backup drive. I want to just select which directory to save it in. I actually should have created a directory just for this, but nope. All right. So I'm just going to save it in the main directory here. Hit Tab and done. All right. Hit Enter. Okay. Now I need to choose the mode, and beginner is fine. I need to going to hit the space bar to select Save Disk, since I want to create an image of the entire disk. All right, there's no asterisk, but there we are. Okay, need to give this a name. I'm going to use WBD 2022. And for compression, let's see. Right, local disk as source, SDA. That's my internal SSD. Good. Right. Now for compression, I'm just going to use Z1P because gzip is what I know and should have the best compression, or sorry, the best compatibility. And okay, disk check again. Again, skip checking or repairing. Do I want to check if the image is restorable? Sure, I'll check the saved image. And I do not want to encrypt the image. Let's just power off when it's finished. Press enter to continue. And okay. Following step is to save the hard disk / partitions on this machine as an image. And Y to continue. And this should take several minutes. And now it's completed successfully, and I can restore the system to this point if I ever had the need. I'll end the video here instead of showing you all that part of it because it is not World Restore Backup Day. So if you want me to do a video on that, be sure to let me know in the comments. And if you need help with this or other tech-related subjects, you can sign up using the provided link in the description.